Claiming flight cancellation insurance requires understanding your policy, contacting your provider promptly, and gathering the necessary documents. Here's a step-by-step guide to navigate the process effectively. Before starting your claim, review your travel insurance policy thoroughly. Check what situations like severe weather or illness are covered and the required documentation for a claim. Immediately notify your insurance provider about the cancellation. Use the contact details provided in your insurance documents or their website, some of which offer online claim forms. Collect all required documents, such as your insurance policy copy, original flight itinerary, and cancellation confirmation from the airline. Also, include any relevant supporting documents like medical notes or employer letters. Fill out the insurance claim form completely and accurately. Ensure all personal details, trip information, and specifics about the cancellation are clearly stated to avoid processing delays. Submit the claim form along with all supporting documents via mail, email, or online. Keep copies of everything for your records. After submitting, follow up with your insurance provider to ensure they received everything and to check the status of your claim. Insurance companies often have specific processing times. Be prepared to provide additional information if the insurance company requests it. Respond promptly to avoid further delays in your claim processing. Once processed, review the settlement from your insurance provider. Ensure the reimbursement amount is correct and covers your incurred expenses as per your policy. If your claim is denied or the settlement is insufficient, don't hesitate to appeal. Contact your provider to understand the denial reasons and provide additional supporting evidence if necessary. Understanding your policy, preparing the necessary documentation, and effective communication with your provider are key to a successful flight cancellation insurance claim. Remember to keep detailed records and stay informed about your policy details to navigate this process smoothly. Subscribe to American Flight Reservation for more travel tips and expert advice. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.